Hello dear traders, welcome to InstaForex TV channel. You're watching a weekly link up with me, Anna Kasatkina. We're going to discuss the ongoing situation on Forex with technical analyst Peter Yakimovic and forecast further moves of popular currency pairs. This trading week has been unusual because both bulls and bears grasped the opportunity to gain decent profits. At the beginning of the week, traders rushed to sell the US dollar. However, today the greenback is winning favor with investors. Speaking about the euro-dollar pair, both currencies are equally weak in terms of fundamentals. Hi Peter, from the point of technical analysis, which currency looks more promising for investment and which one is better for long positions next week?
Hello there traders. Euro dollar basically traded higher exactly like I predicted in my previous forecast, and I hope that you took a good pips on this one. Anyway, the euro is still, in my opinion, in the bullish mode. And there is actually more confirmation on the upside. I found basically the breakout of the 5-day balance, and then on top of that 5-day balance, we got a 2-day balance, breakout 2-day balance, the trading range. So there is a good confirmation for the further upward movement. So my advice is still to watch for buying opportunities, and the upward targets are set at the price of 1.1500, which is basically the key short-term resistance on this currency pair. And if you see the breakout of the 1.1500, and the second target basically can be placed at the price of the 1.1565. In terms of the stop loss, if you plan to buy, I see the protective stop can be placed around 1.1340, which is basically the low of this 2-day balance. So watch for buying opportunities on this currency pair. The bullish momentum is present, and I don't see any big signs of reversals. So again, first upward target 1.5 or 1.1500.
Bulls on the pound-dollar pair benefited the most from the weaker US dollar. Peter, could you please comment on this currency pair? Do you think the pound sterling has a chance to assert its strength, or do you expect the pound to retreat to previous lows?
On the British pound versus US dollar, basically what we got is also the bullish momentum on this currency pair, and I predicted you basically the last week that this currency pair may trade higher, and that's exactly happened. So still, I don't see any big reversals on the downside. I see the strong upward momentum. Price did break the key resistance at the 1.3215. And there was a breakout of that. Price basically held for a few days above this resistance, which may be a good sign that basically buyers may continue with the upside. Now this resistance basically became support, so the key support right now is basically the 1.3215, and don't watch for any selling opportunities if you see the pound is trading above the 1.3215. So my advice is basically to wait for some kind of consolidation, maybe some bullish flag on the lower time frames, like on the 1 hour or 4 hour time frame, or watch for example, a few day balance to create, and then watch for the upside breakout. And the upward target is set at the price of 1.3600, and again, strong upward momentum. Our target from the previous forecast was reached, but I still expect a bullish movement on this currency pair, so watch for buying opportunities.
Finally, let's discuss the Canadian dollar. This week, the loonie depends entirely on the dynamic of oil prices. Peter, is it a good idea for traders to add deals with the loonie to their portfolio?
I found a very interesting trading idea on the Euro-Canadian dollar. Basically, according to a daily time frame, there was a falling wedge, and there is a breakout of that resistance of this wedge. Basically, the falling wedge is a bullish pattern, and it's very strong. This indicates basically that Euro-CAD may trade higher, and this can be a good buying opportunity for you. What I found is basically that the target for this buying opportunity may be at the 1.5225, because this is the resistance and this is the level where this falling wedge started to form. Protective stop can be placed at the price of 1.4935, because this is a basically area which should hold if there is enough power for this breakout. Again, falling wedge, breakout of this falling wedge, watch for buying opportunities with the upward target at the price of 1.5225.
Thank you, Peter, for your trading recommendations, and see you next week. You've watched the Link Up on InstaForex TV channel with me, Anna Kasatkina, and Petar Jakimovic, technical analyst of InstaForex office in Serbia. We wish you always profitable trading. See you soon.